Hello and welcome! Thank you for joining us at OrnamentShop.com. Today we have a DIY graduation tassel ornament to make with you. If you're not sure what to do with the tassel from your cap on graduation day, repurpose it and commemorate any graduation from grade school, high school, college, or even an advanced degree. It's really easy, so let's get started. For supplies, you'll need a graduation tassel, a clear glass ball ornament purchased at any craft store, a paintbrush or straw, and glue. Optional supplies to personalize your ornament include a paint marker, paper confetti, curling ribbon, and a decorative ribbon, all in your school's colors. Step 1 is to carefully take the cap off of the ornament and cut a slit from hole to hole in the cap with a pair of scissors. Then add the paper confetti and curling ribbons into the glass ball before gluing the cap. Step 2 is to feed the graduation tassel strands into the hole. Step 3 is to push the remaining strands of the tassel into the glass ball using a paintbrush handle or straw if you need some leverage to get it all in. Step 4 is to thread the graduation tassel's loop through the hole on the cap of the ornament. But be careful, use caution because the metal may get jagged where you cut it. Step 5 is to squeeze glue along the inside rim of the cap. Replace the cap back on the ornament and let it sit to dry. Step 6 is to pull the loop end of the graduation tassel completely through the top and replace the metal hook back on the cap. Step 7 is to use the metal hook at the top of the ornament and tie the ribbon in a bow. Step 8 is to use a paint marker to personalize the ornament with a name, the school's name, or your degree, and then your graduation tassel ornament is ready to hang on your Christmas tree. Thanks again for joining us. Remember to visit OrnamentShop.com to find over 5,000 unique Christmas ornaments and follow us on social media for more fun DIY projects.